She say I'm a trip, well, honey, welcome to Trivago. Tell me who you know, who is you tripping for a follow? Boo all in the air like Showtime at the Apollo. Puffing up your chest and next.
Hey guys, good morning. So today I have for you all a budget pair of Sony headphones, which are the Sony WH-CH510s. I'm just gonna call them the 510s. Sony, their naming convention, man, is crazy what they name things. So let's go ahead and unbox these and check them out. Now, these came out over a year ago. They were currently on sale here in Medici. The normal price, I think, for these in the States was about 60 bucks. But I picked these up for around, I think it was like $42 with the conversion to US. And I didn't get them from me. Erica need a pair of headphones. So here we go. Okay, over here, they're taped. There we are. So we can see everything that comes in the box. So we got the headphones here. You get a Type-C, so they are Type-C, and you get an instruction manual here that I'll probably never read. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Let's get the main star of the show here. Now, these headphones are supposed to have 35 hours of playtime. That's a long time to play. They have a quick charging feature where 10 minutes should get you an hour and a half. Now these are super plasticky. They don't fold up. Okay, they do turn like this, so you're able to set them like that during carry. They do turn, and all of the controls are here at the bottom. Now the one thing about these, and I see it off the rip, is there's no headphone jack. There's no way to plug in, a headphone jack. So it's just Type-C. So I don't know if you can use the Type-C to plug in to a Type-C to a headphone jack. Would that work? Don't know. These are retractable. And I'm gonna hook them up to my Samsung phone to try them out, and I'll be right back to let you guys know. Okay guys, so I've listened to them for about 35 minutes using my S21 Ultra, and easy pairing. You turn it on, Bluetooth comes on right away, picked up on the phone just like that. With the YouTube music, listen to some music, made 2 quick phone calls just to get the clarity to see if they heard me clear or not. And I've watched a couple of reviews on these, so I can confirm that there is an echo. You can hear yourself for whatever reason when you're making phone calls with these. They can hear you clearly on the other end, but when you're talking, you will hear yourself. So like I said, these are not bad. They're super light on your head, but this plasticky feel, they feel more like toy headphones, but the sound quality is actually pretty decent. You know, there's no real heavy bass. It's more of a smooth sound. You don't really get a high of treble or mids. You definitely gonna get a high of bass. Even with a bass heavy song, it's all gonna be more of an even keel. So if you're looking for bass heavy headphones, these are not it, all right? But if you want a nice even keel sound that's affordable and inexpensive, yeah, these would definitely work. Now my only drawbacks, and like I said, this is the initial review, my only drawbacks is that it doesn't have a spot where you can plug in for headphones. Like when you're on the plane, you can only use these wirelessly, and then you will need a case because these, they don't fold up like traditional headphones do. So what I would suggest is that you get a case like this from Amazon, right? And I use these for my AirPod Max. Oops, they're not quite in there all the way, but yeah, I use those for my AirPod Max. I also keep my AirPod Pros in there as well. But yeah, so a case like that, you know, something like this, more along the size. Obviously this is not built for this, but just giving you an example, something like that You know, and this case was only like $22 on Amazon. So I would suggest you get something like that. You know, there's no noise cancellation on these. You're only paying, even with the original price, I think it was $70 in the States. So you shouldn't expect noise cancellation from headphones like these. They don't have a water resistance rating that I could find anywhere. They might be splash proof, but I wouldn't do anything heavy that contains any kind of liquid at all, like rain or anything like that. Go near a pool and they drop in the pool, yeah, they're pretty much going to be done. These cushions are not bad. They're not bad. It's just this plastic-y feel that I can't get over. But for the price point, I mean, it is what it is. But the sound quality, they're decent. For $42, I think the original, like I said, was $70, but for $42, I can't complain. You know, she'll be happy with these for what she does, which is basically like listen to her soap operas. And when we're in the car, she'll have them on. But other than that, man, I you know, for the price, I can't complain for the quality of music that you get from it. So, yeah, that's a win for $42. Definitely, if you catch these on sale, which is the Sony CH510s, those are that. And now, like I said, the only drawbacks is the plasticky feel and no space for a headphone jack. But they do get decently loud, and it's more of an even sound. You're not going to get anything that's overpowering. And these are on ear. These are not over ear headphones. These just go on your ear. Okay, so if you're looking for that suction, like when you put over ear headphones on, you know, you get that clamping feel like you do with the AirPods Max. No, you're not going to get that with this. These are just on ear headphones. All right, guys, so that's my review, or excuse me, my initial impressions of the Sony WH-CH510s. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.
That cheese, young got an angel with the features like I'm Sudanese. When your people good, it puts you at ease. When your people good, it puts you at ease. Dying from police, Jesus died at 33. Ain't no guarantees. What the hell they'll do to me?
How do people see you that can burden a man? 22 years on a personal brand.